Hello guys and welcome back to another vlog, and today we are going to do quick unboxing and overview of the flagship action camera from SJCAM, which is Sj8 Pro. Sj8 series has 3 action cameras: Sj8 Air, which comes with Novatech chipset and Panasonic sensor and is the cheapest, and it does not have EIS or gyro stabilization. Above Sj8 comes the Sj8 Plus, which comes with Novatech chipset and Sony IMX117 sensor. It offers 3-axis gyro stabilization and EIS. However, it is limited to 180p videos. And the top of the range is Sj8 Pro, which has Umbrella H22 chipset along with Sony IMX377 sensor coupled to a 12MP lenses. Now let us quickly do the unboxing and see what all are the box contents of SJCAM Sj8 Pro. This is how the box looks like, nice and clean white box as we have seen in the previous generation SJCAMs. So this is Sj8 Pro written over here, 4K at 60fps, and some specifications given over here. On this side you have what are the accessories inside the box. This is the box content or the specifications and some instructions written. And on this side you get the app, which you can download from either Google Play Store or from the App Store. We'll discuss more about the app later. So let's try and open the box. This slides up. This is where your main action camera is placed. Now we'll try removing the lid. This is the action camera in waterproof casing. Let us just keep it aside and look at what are the other box contents. Here we have couple of 3M stickers which you can use to stick it to your helmet or your bike or other places. These are the hooks in which your mounts are going to get fixed. This is again another hook, and on this side we have an extra waterproof touch back door which you can install and use it underwater. Good addition. These are again few of the mounts. This is the charging cable. These are the mounts. Where's the J hook? This is the mount which you can use to mount it either on your bicycle or bike or any sort of rods. This is a J hook along with 1/4" screw, very important if you are going to use this action camera for biking, bike riding, skiing or any adventure activities. We do get couple of extra screws which can be used to fix the camera nicely. Let us just keep this aside and go back to the camera. So this is the camera inside the cage. Let me remove the stickers. Nice. So this is how the case looks. This case can be used up to 30 meters, but we are not going to water test it. Let us get the camera out. This is the camera. Let us remove the stickers. So this is how the camera looks. Looks wise it is quite nice. It has a nice rubberized finish to it. These are the lenses. This is the power on and off LED. This is the recording LED. Here you get a 0.9-inch OLED screen which is black and white. This is the power button which has inbuilt LED in it. This is recording start stop button. This is the speaker which you get. This is 2.3-inch IPS HD display, which is quite nice to use. I'll turn it on and show you. This is the 1/4-inch screw. This is the battery compartment, which you can pull like this out, and you can pull the battery out from here. Also, the slot for inserting your memory card is right here. So we'll turn on the action cam and see. On the front display you get the battery indicator as well as the recorder, what resolution you're recording in, what is the time. All this information is displayed in this front display. Once you start the action camera, you get to see this nice screen. Now there are two interfaces to it. One is the SJCAM display. One is the SJCAM display, where you get nice icons for each and every option of the menu. Another way to access it is using the settings, which will give you a list view of the things, and you can access the settings from here also. I personally prefer this SJCAM view because it gives a nice icons which you can touch and are easy to use if you have large fingers. This is one of the nicest display you get on an action camera. Now if you have to switch between the photo and the video mode, you can just swipe like this and it switches between the video and the photo mode. Plus you can have a lot of options here, like you have the video settings which you can access from here. If you want to see your stored file, you can use this option here, and then it can access video or photo, whatever you have recorded. Let us quickly go through what all are the setting options inside the camera. This is for EV. You can have either white balance, power on record. This is a very important feature. Earlier this feature was missing in SJCAM series. It is similar to what you get on GoPro action cameras, that once you turn on the power, you get the recording started. Now you have two color profiles to choose. One is SJCAM Vivid, which gives nice warmer tones to your pictures and videos. Other is Flat, which you can use and later color grade your pictures or videos. These are some of the other settings. You have metering mode, you have gyro stabilizer. Gyro stabilization is supported only till 4K at 30 fps. It does not support gyro stabilization at 4K at 60 fps. The encoding options you have volume. You can either increase or decrease this volume for recording your videos. Then you have the option of sharpness, distortion correction. Distortion correction is the option which you need to select if you want to cut down on the fisheye effect, but using this will crop your video footage. Loop recording. Now there are different file sizes according to what resolution you're recording at. Video quality is standard, economy or fine. There is different setting for ISO. Audio, either you can turn it on or turn it off, and there is option to add timestamp to your videos and your pictures. Now if you swipe from above, you will get this menu wherein you can lock the screen, connect using the Wi-Fi to your smartphone, or even connect it to a remote control for recording remotely. If you like this quick unboxing and overview of settings of SJCAM Sj8, then please hit the like button, comment down below, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Nikitesh Vlogs. Thank you.